In today's video, I will walk you through how to view cryptocurrency prices on investing.com. If you want to track digital assets without juggling a dozen different exchange apps, investing.com is one of the most comprehensive platforms available. Whether you are checking Bitcoin, Ethereum, or tracking hundreds of altcoins, you can find live metrics all in one place. Let's walk through how to navigate the platform to view real-time cryptocurrency prices. From the main homepage, look at the top navigation menu. Hover over Markets and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the Cryptocurrencies section and click on All Cryptocurrencies. This brings you directly to the master market directory. Once you are on the main cryptocurrency page, you'll see a massive list of coins ranked primarily by market capitalization. Take a quick look at the data columns across the screen. Price shows the current live rate, typically paired against the US dollar. Market cap displays the total dollar value of the circulating supply. 24-hour volume tells you how much of that asset has been traded over the last day. 1-day and 7-day changes gives you immediate percentage shifts so you can spot short-term trends. If you are looking for a specific coin, don't waste time scrolling. Use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name or ticker symbol, like BTC for Bitcoin, and jump straight to its dedicated asset page. Clicking on any coin opens up its individual hub, where you get a deeper look at historical data, live exchange rates, and community sentiment. If you need more than just a surface-level price check, click on the Chart tab for that specific cryptocurrency. Investing.com features advanced streaming charts powered by TradingView. By default, you might see a simple line chart, but you can easily switch to candlesticks to analyze opening, high, low, and closing prices. You can also adjust the timeframes, ranging from 1-minute intervals up to multi-year historical views, and layer on technical indicators like moving averages or the RSI to support your analysis. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can monitor live market prices, evaluate trading volumes, and analyze advanced charts on investing.com.